Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can connect PayPal to Stripe. So let's jump right in. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Payments and click on Payment Methods. Here you'll see a list of available third-party payment options you can connect to Stripe. Now in your case, if PayPal is supported in your region, you'll see it listed here. Go ahead and click on it, then just follow the steps to connect your PayPal account to Stripe. Since PayPal is not available in my region, I'll use Amazon Pay as an example to show you how the setup works. The steps are pretty much the same across most external payment methods. So I'll go ahead, click on Amazon Pay, and walk you through the connection process just so you can see how it's done. Once you've connected the method, whether it's PayPal or something else, it'll be active in your account. Now, when you create a payment link or send out an invoice, your clients will see the PayPal option if you've set that up, and they'll be able to pay you directly through it.